Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a world of decadence and indulgence as we explore the luxury desserts that celebrities just can't get enough of. Whether they're walking the red carpet or snapping photos for the gram, these stars know a thing or two about the finer things in life. So, let's get started, and who knows, maybe you'll find your new favorite treat. First up, we have the classic, the sumptuous chocolate lava cake, a favorite of none other than Taylor Swift. This gooey, rich chocolate dessert pairs perfectly with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, melting together for a heavenly taste. It's no wonder it's a hit at after parties. Next on our list is the elegant vanilla bean creme brulee. Loved by the sophisticated palate of George Clooney, this dessert is all about the crisp, caramelized top breaking smoothly to reveal a creamy, fragrant custard underneath. It's simplicity and elegance on a spoon. Moving on to something a bit more avant-garde, we have the gold leaf cupcakes. These are not just any cupcakes, they are a favorite of the Kardashians, featuring soft, moist cake topped with a swirl of luxurious frosting and real gold leaf. These cupcakes are as much about opulence as they are about flavor. For those who adore a bit of tartness, the lemon raspberry tart is a go-to. Celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay can't get enough of its zesty lemon filling paired with the fresh burst of raspberries. This dessert isn't just delicious, it's a vibrant piece of art on a plate. Last but definitely not least is the extravagant champagne sorbet. Loved by the likes of Jennifer Lawrence, this refreshing dessert is made with real champagne, offering a bubbly, sweet sensation that's perfect for any celebration. So, whether you're looking to impress your guests at your next dinner party or just want to treat yourself to something special, these celebrity-loved luxury desserts are sure to delight. Who said you can't live like a star? Go ahead and give these recipes a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious insights and recipes. See you next time.